Hey everyone, welcome to another day of writing the page. Today I wasn't really feeling it. I just didn't sleep that great, and I was thinking maybe I'll just do this Monday through Friday. I don't know, it's a whole learning curve as far as like what I want to do. I mean, doing the page is one thing, but then recording it and putting up is another thing. And sometimes you're like, why do I do this? What is the point of putting something up and putting yourself out there? And I mean, I don't know, I just question all of that stuff sometimes. But I also like the idea of having a practice and contributing in some way to the community of writing. I do feel kind of a call to do that. So in that regard, I like doing this, but yeah, there's just all those thoughts in your head that sometimes can get in there. And I'm trying to do less here and more here. But sometimes you succeed and other times you fail. I performed an improv show last night. It had a good moments. It took about 10 minutes or so to get into a groove. It felt really, I don't know if you've done any theatrical work, dying on stage is its own thing. It's quite interesting to just feel like you're completely bombing. But yeah, I'm kind of in like a processing mode right now, so it's good because it gives me stuff to write about. So with that said, I'm going to start. Today's the 15th, so write the date on the top, and here we go. All right, there we go, one page. Sun is creeping in. Yeah, that felt good to write that. It really feels good to journal. I mean, that's one of the reasons why I like doing this. I never really was. I mean, I was a journaler in different parts of my life, and I had a friend who would make fun of me for that. And that person is no longer my friend. Thank God the universe took him out of my life. But I don't know. I just feel like for writers, taking some time, writing 1, 2, 3 pages, whatever it is that you need to do to get you into that zone of writing and creativity and flow state seems to be really beneficial. Like last night, for instance, at the improv show, it took about 10 minutes, like I mentioned, for me to get into some sort of zone. And sometimes I feel like it's good sometimes I think it just takes time to clear stuff away, and writing a journal or keeping a daily practice like this is beneficial to clear some of the stuff away, so when you go and you do the work that you're doing, whatever it is that you're writing, you're more able to tap in and have a much better time, or things could flow a lot easier, or you're more loose, or whatever it may be. So cool, that's it for today. I'm out of here. I gotta go to work, so I'll talk to you later, and goodbye.